Good morning, gardening friends. It is the 5th of September. I thought I would do a video for you on my best fig trees. Alright, this is Dave with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. If you are interested in growing nutrient-dense food and interested in exploring permaculture in an urban environment, you're in the right spot. Make sure you're subscribed and click that bell so you get notified and don't miss anything. Alright, let me get behind the camera. This is my best producing fig tree. It has a bunch of little figs on it. Right now there's none that are ripe that I saw. This fig turns brown when it gets ripe. See, there's a whole bunch of figs on it though. Whether they have time to mature before we get the cold weather will be the question. This may be, I think this fig came from someone who said he had got it from someone whose family had imported it from Palestine. So I'm really not too sure what it is. I think it looks a lot like Celeste though, which is somewhat of a standard fig. Alright, let me see if I can pause this and get to the next fig tree. Here we are in the middle of my original first fig tree I planted. Got this at a job site where people had just bought the house, and there was a fig tree chopped down in the front yard, and it was given a bunch of sprouts. So I got a sprout, brought it home and put it in the ground. So again, I don't know what this one is. Here's a nice sized fig on it. It only seems like it has one branch that's producing figs, which is really strange. So I'm not sure why. Oh, there's another fig up there. I did eat a few figs off of this tree already this year, but it was all on this one branch, because this one branch seems like it has all the figs. And it had a nice red inside, and when it was ripe it turned more to like a yellow. So again, I don't know what this is, but it's my largest tree and my oldest tree. I'm probably gonna chop it down. I might make it go to a single tree and chop down all these suckers that are growing out on the sides here. Okay, let's go to the next one. This one is a yellow Lebanese that I got from CNY Figgery. Got a tag that I put on there. This is a fig pop. Last year was the first year, so this is the second year. It has grown about 4 foot tall, and it does have some figs on here. And again, the race is going to be on to see if these will mature and ripen before we get to the cold weather. It does have a few figs on it. Alright, let's get to the next one. This one is a yellow long neck that I got from Harvey. And again, this was a fig pot 2 years ago. So this is the second year. It's got this long, tall stem, like 4 foot tall here, a shoot. And then over here, it has another shoot that's only about 3 feet, but this one has figs on it. Look at that. So again, we're gonna see if we have time for these things to mature and give me a little taste test this year. That would be nice. So grow for me, please. All right, let's get to the next tree. This one is another fig pop that I got. Let me see, I just found the tag. I was gonna say I couldn't find the tag because I was digging around here at the base quite a bit, but the tag was over there. This is a Panache Tiger that I got from Joe. And again, it's a fig pop 2 years old, so this is the second year growing here. I don't think it likes this space. I've got it in over top of a hugelkultur bed. And this should be one of the wettest spots in my yard because it's down in the little valley here. So it might not like this location. So I might actually take a cutting from this and put it somewhere else and see if it would like it better. Because it is only about 2.5 feet tall, and it hasn't put out any figs at all. So, I mean, there might be some figs starting here, but I'm not sure. And I really don't think it's gonna have time to get mature before we get the cold weather. All right, let's move on. This one is a JH Adriatic that I got from CNY Figgery. I had to dig for that tag and pull it out through the roots. This one is actually doing the best of any of my fig pops. This was a fig pop 2 years ago as well. So it didn't seem to have any die off over the winter, and it's growing into a nice bush. It's about 6 feet tall. I have an air layer on here that I just put on there a few days ago. But this has a lot of figs on it. I did get 2 figs last year, late in the year, when it was cold and I was showing the last show of my figs. I got a couple figs from it, and they were really, really delicious. So yeah, this air layer, there was only like 1 fig on that branch, so I thought I would do a little air layer there. And there are a lot of figs on here. Ooh, there's some up here that look like they might be starting to get ripe even. Yeah, they're starting to get a little bit soft. And there was an ant crawling on there too, so these things might be close to getting ripe. It's starting to sag down and starting to turn yellow. There are a lot of figs on here. I'm really looking forward to eating these guys. All right, well, that's a good place to stop on a very positive note. So thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by, guys. If you know anyone that would like this video, please share it out in social media. Share it with your friends and family. I would certainly appreciate it. I'm going to put a video up here that YouTube says you will like. Over here will be probably my last video, which is planting late season cucumbers at the moment. I think that changes. It'll be the last video that I posted at the whatever time it is that you're watching this video. Okay, I gotta get to work. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again real soon. Have a blessed day.